Are you wondering why you are not growing on Instagram and you've made all the effort possible, you've watched all the videos, and you are still not growing the way you want to be growing? Then stick to the end of the video because I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why you're not growing on Instagram, and I'm here to help you, girl. Hello, 𝚑𝚎𝚕𝚙 gang. It's Shanique here from 𝚑𝚎𝚕𝚙.com, the home of the 𝚑𝚑𝚛 Mentorship program, helping you Christian women become an impactful and influential online entrepreneur even when no one knows who you are. So if you're looking to make an income while making an impact as an online entrepreneur, then be sure to subscribe to my channel because that's what I'm all about, and follow me on Instagram. Your first reason why you are not growing on Instagram is because you're not consistent enough. And before you say, I've heard this before, I am posting consistently, I don't know why you're telling me this. Well, there's one thing to be consistent ever so often. This month you're doing great, next month no one knows where you are. It is very noticeable if you're attracting followers initially by posting 3 times a week. If you all of a sudden decrease that to once, they're not keeping up with you anymore. There's no reason to track your Instagram anymore because you are not there. You're not showing up. And because they're not engaged anymore, they're not sharing your content anymore. They're not commenting as often as you are. And the algorithm is seeing that and not pushing your content out there, which means you're not getting the reach, which means less people are seeing your account, less people are likely to follow you. If you can't do 3 posts a week, then be consistently posting 2 or once, and let it be a specific day. At least your followers or people that are going to be engaging with you, at least they know every Monday they post. If it's just 1 post and you come with a banger, so they're looking forward to the next post next Monday. The second reason why you are not growing on Instagram is because your content is irrelevant to the audience that you're trying to attract. Your bio says one thing, that you help women become healthy, live their best life, but you're posting a lot of bird pictures, a lot of walking the dog pictures. How can that relate to what you're trying to offer your audience? You have not done any research to find out what your audience likes, what they want, what they need out of your service. So what you're blindly doing is just giving them content based on what you like and what you think they may need. In order for you to actually attract people that want to know your content, that want your product, that want your service, you need to know what they want. They need to know that whatever you offer, whatever you're going to post, the content you're going to share is what they need in their life. And if you don't know what they need or what they want, then you're just going to be posting content that is irrelevant to your audience. And that's why no one's following you, because you don't have what they want. BT Dubs, I have a Facebook group that is dedicated to teaching Christian women how to grow and attract on Instagram. So I do trainings, I do tips, I do advices. That's a little more extensive to the information on my YouTube. Plus, I actually answer the questions that you may have. Also, I open the group for each other so that you can also post your new business and build relationships so you can also collaborate with each other. So be sure to go ahead and enter that free Facebook group, because you also get an exclusive offer to the Instagram and Attract guide, which is a full, basically a mini course on how to really explode your influence, explode your impact on Instagram as a new and aspiring Christian entrepreneur. I'm really excited about it. I've got so many great feedback and you need to check it out. But the reason why you are not growing on Instagram is because you don't know what you offer. At least your content makes it seem like you don't know what you offer, because your bio, or you like to say that you help women get in the best shape ever, but you're posting DIY bookshelves. And then you're also helping people style their dog. Then you have personal pictures of you going shopping at Walmart. What does that have to do with helping women get in the best shape ever? And even if you post those really cool things, you need to be able to connect it to your initial reason why you have an Instagram account in the first place. So what you need to know is what you offer and connect that to your content. Because if your content is very confusing, then the people will be confused. No one wants to follow your content because they're confused. They have no idea what you're about. They don't know why they should follow you, stick with you, trust you, build a relationship with you if you don't even know what you do. So start sharing what you offer and make it very clear, because you don't want to confuse your potential followers. You don't want to confuse your potential clients. Okay, just start gang. I'm going to give you a bonus tip as to why you're not growing on Instagram, and it's because it's all about you. You're just interested in yourself. Your captions are about yourself. Your comments are about yourself. Your response to comments are about yourself. Your stories are about yourself. Your DMs are about yourself. Everything is about you and your business. If you are providing a service or a product or even a social platform that welcomes fans and viewers, then it's not about you. It may be your face, but the reason why you want to grow and attract people is because you have something for them. You have entertainment for them. You have a product for them that's going to help them. You are providing something that's going to better someone else's life. So why is everything about you? You need to be able to speak to your audience in a way that they're not just an audience, they're not just a follower, they're not just somebody that you want their money from, they're somebody that you actually want to help. So make your comments more about your audience. When you DM people, don't just spam your business or spam your YouTube channel. Actually get to know the audience. Why would your YouTube channel even benefit them? Maybe you noticed that they went through a heartbreak and you just actually posted a picture of how to get over your ex-boyfriend. Let them know, I understand how you feel right now. I just noticed that you posted about your heartbreak. I feel for you, and that's why I made this video. You should check it out. That's a lot more genuine than you just saying, hey, follow me, subscribe. It would be really help me. So try to take the focus off yourself and start serving people with love. Let's actually just live out the words of the Bible. Let's serve each other and serve each other with our services, serve each other with our platforms. Is that a good idea? If that's a good idea, comment below what you are really going to change in order to grow on Instagram. Just start, guys. I'm excited because I know you're going to implement all these tips and stay consistent with it. And when you do start growing, I'm sure you're going to want to know how to keep them active and engaged. And maybe you do have a good amount of followers, but nobody responds to the questions in your captions. No one's responding to your stories, or no one's even liking your picture as often as you want them to. So in my next video, I'm going to share with you the top tips to get your Instagram followers super active. So look out for that video next Friday. But in the meantime, I want you to check out these two videos if you want to be a Christian entrepreneur growing with influence and impactfulness online and making an income. Just start, gang. Keep sharing the good news and keep up the great work. I'll see you in my next video.